Hello friends. Here for first year of commerce Fybcom subject is Com 107 and book number 3 here, elements of statistics here. Book number 3, unit number 11 here, correlation. There are some objectives are here given, and those objectives are known as here. There are some objectives. What is the meaning of here? What is the meaning of relation between the two variables? Then what is the meaning of how variables are correlated? Then what are different methods to find the relation between variables? For the previous units, we have studied the problems related to only one variable, but in practical life, we see many examples where two variables are involved here. These two variables are related in such a way that movement of one variable depends on other here. For example, is here income and expenditure, rainfall and production of rice, price of commodity and its demands, etc. Here, the meaning and definition of correlation. A simple definition given by A.M. Tuttle here. What is correlation? Here defined as it is an analysis of covariations of two or more variables is usually called correlation here. Now, movement of one variable depends on the other. What does it mean? For example, here, from the above examples, if one income of in person increases, then the expenditure also increases here. Also, if the rainfall increases, the production of rice is more. While in case of price and demand, if price of commodity increases, its demand decreases because price is more there. So sometimes the variables vary in the same directions, otherwise in opposite directions also. And there are some positive correlation where when the two variables for example, in different production of then some points are given here. Second is negative correlation. When the two variables vary in the opposite direction, it is called negative correlation here. For example, is given here price and demand, number of workers and number of days to complete a job, number of words per page and number of pages, etc. The degree of correlation analysis refers to the techniques which is used measuring closeness of the relative between the variable, that is how strongly or how weakly they are related. This relationship is called linear one. There are different methods of studying correlation. Hence, here we will see that what different methods are to find out there is correlation between two variables or not. They are scatter diagram, Spearman's rank correlation, Carl Pearson's correlation. Scatter diagram, as the name suggests here, there is only diagrammatic representation of two variables. Here we take two variables here. For example, variable x and y are plotted in the scale x axis, y axis. For different types of data, we get here different types of plotting dots here. If we see all the plotted points are here, and in the direction from lower left corner to upper right corner, then it is called positive correlation between x and y there. And the figure is given there it is known as positive correlation from left right, from lower left corner to the upper right corner it is, then it is called positive correlation, more than 0 or less than 0 1. Then second is, if we see here, if we see all the plotted points are in the direction from upper left corner to the right lower corner, then it is called negative correlation between x and y. You will see that figure here. It is from left upper corner to the right lower corner there. It is called negative, perfect negative correlation. Then third is, if we see all the plotted points are just scattered anywhere, there is no particular direction. It is said that there is no correlation between x and y, or it is a zero correlation. When all the plotted points are on the straight line, which is from lower left corner to the upper right corner, then it is called perfectly positive correlation between x and y here. It is also perfectly positive, or correlation is +1 here. Then you will see that in the next page you will find that it is fifth point here. Fifth point is, that is of here, when all the plotted points are on the straight line, which is from upper left corner to the right lower corner, then it is called perfectly negative correlation between x and y here. You will see that figure number here, r is equal to -1. Here 0 x and 0 y, and you will see that all the plotted points are on the straight line, which is from upper left corner like this to the lower right corner here. It is called perfectly negative relation, correlation, or correlation is equal to -1. Here note that the value of correlation coefficient is denoted by R in the English language here. Second, this R is a pure number and does not have any unit of measurement here. It is the only calculate the degree of correlation, and the limit of this R is 1 more or 1 less. Value of R is always lies between -1 and 0 1 here. Then next is Spearman's rank correlation is given there. Sometimes there are certain characteristics which cannot be measured quantitatively. They cannot be expressed in numbers, beauty, intelligence, honesty, etc. Such characteristics are qualitative nature, and quality does not have any units of measurement. But we can rank the individuals possessing qualities and characters in assessing or ascending or descending order here. Then these ranks are considered as the data, and correlation between the ranks of the two variables is obtained here. And this correlation between the ranks of two variables was given by Spearman, and he has therefore it is known as Spearman's rank correlation of coefficient here. And he has given the formula here. R is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 summation d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, and big bracket is also complete here. Here d is difference between the ranks of two variables, that is d is equal to r2 minus r1, where R1 is the rank assigned to one variable, that is x, and R2 is rank assigned to another variable y here, and n is number of pairs of observations here. Here example is given. Suppose two judges are ranking participants in competition Then to know whether their opinions are more or less the same. To know this, the rank correlation is used here. Here now let us see to calculate Spearman's rank correlation coefficient here. Example is given here 1161 here where ranks are given. Rank by A 1, 2, 5, 7 and 8. Or days here. We have to answer question. We compare following table ranked by A in vertical form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rank by B also in second column, vertical column 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 1. Then we have to find out difference here. Is R1 minus R2 here equal to R1 minus R2 here. From here 1 minus 4 we cannot subtract 4 from 1 here, so but we can subtract 1 from 4 and it has the big number is 4 here and that sign of is negative, so we can subtract 1 from 3 here and that answer will be minus 3. Same here 2 minus 5 we cannot subtract 5 from 2, but we can subtract 2 from 5 and answer will be 3, but the sign will be minus here. Then 3 minus 6, the same, we can't subtract 6 from 3, but we can subtract 3 from 6, answer will be 3 and sign will be minus. Again 4 minus 7, same, we cannot subtract 7 from 4, but we can subtract 4 from 7. My answer will be minus 3. Then again 5 minus 8, the same. We can't subtract 8 from 5, but we can subtract 5 from 8. The answer will be 3. 8 has negative sign. Then again 6 minus 2, we can subtract it. It is 4. 7 minus 3, it is also 4. And 8 minus 1, it is 7. Now we have to make the square of this third column, that is 3 minus 3 minus 3. That means we have to multiply that number by the same number. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Again 3 into 3, 9. Again 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Again 3 into 3, 9. Here see, there are 5 times square of 3, 3, 3, 3, it is 9 here. Then again square of 4 is for 2 times here, 16, 16. Then last is for square of 7, it is 49. Multiplication of 7 into 7, that is 49 here. Then this fourth column here, d square, we have to make the total or summation of d square here. The total is 126 here. Now we have to use the formula different in rank A and B. That is different in rank A and rank B here. Now we have to use that formula here. R is equal to 1 minus into bracket summation 6 summation d square, that is 126 upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, bracket big bracket also came. Here there are n, that means numbers are 8 here. Number of pairs observations are n is equal to 8 here. So we have to put that figures in the formula here. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into 126 upon n, that is 8 into bracket 64 here. That is square of 8 into 8, 64, minus 1, that is 63 here. Then multiplication will be here, and you will see that multiplication of 6 into 126 is equal to 756 upon 8 into 63 will be 501 here, and 1 minus 7 upon 504, that is 1 minus 0.5. That means here the answer will be minus 0.5, which shows it is negative correlation. That means here we cannot, the opinions of judge A and judge B are a different one. So this is the answer when the ranks are given, but here the ranks are given by judge A and judge B, or A and B, and those are also different here. Now where ranks are not given, in this example ranks were given, but sometimes, now let us see the example where ranks are not given here. Now we have to rank the variable x and y here. Here x 67, 42, 53, 66, 62, 60, then 54 and 68 here. For y 78, 80, 77, 73, 75, 68, 63 and 74. We have to first rank here because here the highest number for x is given here as 61, so it has first rank. The second highest is here 67, it has second rank. Third highest is 66, third rank. Fourth is 62, 4, 65, 54, 6, 53, 7, and 42, that is number 8 here. Then for y here, you will see that 80 is the highest one. So it should be here 80 is the highest one, first rank. Then second highest is 78, it has second. Third one is 77. Then fourth one 75. Sixth is 74. Then sixth is 73. Seventh is 68 here. Then 8 is 63 here. So in this way, we have to rank these numbers or variables as and y here. Then we can, first we rank the observations in the ascending order, and then we will make the table here. And this table has also some of the first, second, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. First column, you will find that there are numbers of x here, 67, 42, 53, 66, 62, 60, 54, and 68 here. Here numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are numbers here. Y has also given here 78, 80, 77, then 73, then 75, 68, 63, and 64 here, 74 here. Now here the ranks for x here for 70, 67 second, then 2, 8, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 are here. For rank 2 here, 2, 1, 3, 6, 4, 7, 8, and 5 here. Now we have to find the difference from R1 to R2 here. D is equal to R1 minus R2. That means here 2 minus 2, it will be 0. 8 minus 1, it has 7. 7 minus 3, it has 4. 3 minus 6, it has minus 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Then next is 5 minus 7, minus 2. 6 minus 8, minus 2. Minus 5, minus 4. Now we have to make the square of this d here. Square of 0, 0 into 0, 0. 7 into 7, that is 59. 4 into 4, that is 16. Minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9 here. 0 into 0, it is 0. Minus 2 into minus 2. The sign is negative. Two negatives makes one positive. So here 2 into 2 is 4. Again minus 2 into minus 2, it is also 4 here. Then minus 4 into minus 4, it is also two negatives makes a positive. 4 into 4, that is 16 here. Now we have to make the total of this last column, that is column number 6 here. And the total is here given for you is 98 here. So sigma d square will be 98 here. Here numbers are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. N is equal to 8 here. Now we have to use that formula here. What is the formula? Here R is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 summation d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete and big bracket also complete here. So here when we have to put that figures in this formula, R is equal to 1 here, R is equal to 1 minus 6 into 98 upon 8 into bracket 8 square minus 1 bracket complete, big bracket also complete here. Here 6 into 98 would be 588, then 8 into 63, it is 504. That means here the answer will be minus 0.1666 here. That means in column number x68 is the highest number, therefore rank 1 is given to it. 67 is next highest, it has second rank. In this way, the ranks are given here and the reps are here. Sometimes there are repeated ranks. That means marks are given double there. Now let us see the, in case of where values of the in column number X or in column Y are repeated. Suppose the highest observation is 67 and is appearing two times here in column X and now, now we cannot give rank 1 to both observations. That is here. So we take the average of 1 and 2. That means make total of 1 and 2 is 3. Divided by 2, that is answer will be 1.5. Now give this rank to the observations where the number 67 is appearing here, repeated for repeated ranks here. Suppose it is appearing 3 times here in the highest place, then the rank is given to its average of yes 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 divided by 3 because 3 numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers. So divide by 3, the rank will be given second here 2. Similarly, if the observation is appearing 2 times somewhere in the 4th rank, then the average will be 4 plus 5 upon 2. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and divide by 2 because 2 numbers are there. And divide by 2, it will be 4.5. This adjustment is done in the formula by taking correction factor. It is known as correction factor CF. Here, the formula for repeated ranks are given here. The formula for the repeated ranks is given here. That formula is R is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 into brackets summation D square plus total of CF that is correction factor bracket complete upon N into bracket N square minus 1 bracket complete and big bracket also complete here, where CF is known as correction factor here. CF means here M into bracket M square minus 1 upon 12. This is the CF. Then we have here the example is given here. Now see the following example for the base on repeated ranks here. For X here, there are some numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers here. 50, 63, 40, 70, again 40, 65, 38, 40, 52, and 50. These are ranks for X. Now for ranks for Y, 48, 30, 35, 60, 55, again 30 here, 2 times 30, 25, 45, and 50, and 52 here. We have to write here for answer. We have to make vertical column for X. There are 50, 63, here 360, 40, 70, 40, 65, 38, 40. Then is also X 50, 63, 40, 70, 40, 65, 38, and 40. And as 52 and 50. These are 10 numbers here. For Y, 48, 30, 35, 60, 55, then 30, 25, 45, 50, and 52 for Y here. Now here rank is given for 50 is here for 2 times here. The highest number is 70 for X. It has to be given 71, 65 second, then third 63. And for fourth we have there are 2 numbers and that is here 50 and 50. So 5 and 6, there is total of 11. 11 divided by 2, that means 5.5, 5.5. So for 50 here, we can mark the rank or give the rank 5.5 here. So it is 5 and 6. Now there is 6 and 7. Now 8 number is for 40 and there is also 40 and 42 times here. So it has 8 number here. Then last one is for 38. It has 10 number here. 9, 8, and 8. So here the ranks for X are given. Then Y, it is the highest number is 60 for 1, 55 second. Then third rank is 52, fourth is 50. Then 5 is 48. And 6 here you will see that there are 2 numbers 30 and 30. 6 and 7. No, 7 and 8. Here 35. No, here 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 here 17 and divided by 2, that means here 8.5 for first 30 and again 8.5 for next 30 here. Then there is also 8 and 9 and last number is 25 here. Now we have to in column number 5, D is equal to R1 minus R2. That means here subtraction. from 5.5 minus 5. That means it is 0.5. Then again 3 minus 8.5. We cannot subtract 8.5 from 3, but we can subtract 3 from 8.5. So it is minus 5.5. Then again 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then again 2 minus 8.5 here. We cannot subtract 8.5 from 2, but we can subtract 2 from 8.5, so it is minus 6.5. Then again 10 minus 10, it is 0. 8 minus 6, it is 2. 4 minus 4, it is 0. 5 point minus 3, it is 2.5. Now in the last column we have to make d square, that is square of this fifth column, that is d here. 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. The square will be 0.25. Then minus 5.5 into minus 5.5. That means the square of 5 will be 30.25. 1 is always 1. Square of 0 is always 0. Square of 6, 36. Square of minus 6.5. Here minus minus plus, and square will be of 65 will be 42.25. Again 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 0, 0. 2.5 into 2.5, it will be 6.25 here. And we have to make the total of this last column here. And the total is here 120 here. You will see that the total is 120 here. Now in X column here 50 is repeated 2 times here. M1 is 2. The rank for this observation is average of ranks 5 and 6. So here is the observation which this observation would get have. They had been not the same. Similarly in X column 40 is repeated 3 times here. M2 3 is the rank assigned to average of 7, 8 and 9. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 9 is 24, and 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8 there. In Y column, you will find that observation of 30 is repeated for 2 times here. M3, 2 here, the rank suggested or assigned the average of 8 plus 9, 17. Then 8 and 9. Here the formula is used here. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into bracket 6 into bracket summation d square plus correction factor CF bracket complete upon n into bracket n square minus 1 again bracket complete here. So here the correction factor is equal to m1 into bracket m1 square minus 1 bracket complete plus m2 square m2 into bracket m2 square minus 1 bracket complete plus m3 into bracket m3 square minus 1 bracket complete upon 12. This is the formula. So here m1 is equal to 2 into bracket 2 square minus 1 that is 3, then plus 3 square minus 9 minus 1 that is 8, bracket complete, plus 2 into bracket 4 minus 1 that is 3 upon 12. Here the answer will be 3 here. So here you will find that R is equal to 1 into bracket 6 into 120 plus 3 here, bracket complete, upon 10 into bracket 100 minus 1, bracket complete, is equal to 0.2545 is the answer here. So here it is the 1 minus 7455. The answer will be 0.45. So in this way, you will find that there is no correlation or no there is no correlation here. Then you will find there are some exercise questions are also given. Test yourself problems are questions here. First one is draw scatter diagram from the following data. Here x 7, 10, 17, 16, 12, 13, 9, y 15, 18, 30, 27, 25, 20 and 30 here. Then here next you will find the points must be here dotted. For the second example is given here, question is given here. Find the rank correlation for here. It is also fruit number 1 to 9. Rank given for A 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, 6. For rank B 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, 6 here. Here we have to make these such examples are given here. You will find the examples exercise here, and those answers must be there. Here you will find the ranks are given here. Rank by A here 3, 4, 1. Then 0, 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, and 6 here. For rank B also 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, and 6. We have to make a difference, that is rank A minus rank B. Here D is equal to, that means we have to deduct 3 from 5, 5 from 3, but we can't deduct it. So it has minus sign. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 4 minus 7 minus 3. 0, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 5 minus 3 plus 2. 7 minus 5, 7, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 1, 9, 0. 9 minus 1. 6 minus 6, it is also 0. Then we have to make the square of this column, that is here the the square of this is also given here, and we will find that this square is given here. Here in this last column you will find that there 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9. 0 square is always 0. 2 into 2 minus 2 into minus 2. This negative signs make positive here. 2 negatives makes 1 positive here. It is 2, then plus 2 plus 2 4, plus 5 multiplication of square 25. 1 square will be 1, again minus 1 minus 1. 2 negatives makes 1 positive here, plus 1. 0 into 0 0. Now here numbers n is equal to 9 here, and we have to make the total of this last column, that is d square is equal to 48 here. Now we have to use the formula R is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 sigma d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete. Here 1 minus 288 here multiplication of 6 into 48 is equal to 288 and upon 9 into bracket 80 is equal to 71 here. So 1 minus into bracket 288 divided by 720. That means approximately here the answer will be 1 minus 0 0.44. The answer will be here 0.6 here. So in this way, this is the answer for it. Now for the third problem, you will find that there is also a third question here. Following are the marks given by judge to 7 students here. The numbers are here 7. N is equal to 7 in drama competition. Now calculate the rank correlation for coefficient here. The students number are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means n is equal to 7. Now we have to mark judge A has mark given 17, 13, 9, 10, 7, 15, 11. Then marks given by judge B 10, 18, 5, 19, 8, 6 and 9 here. Now we have to solve this problem here. The answer will be given. Here is also given. Here the answer we have to rank the numbers here. Here for the first judge A has given 17, 13, 9. Here highest number is which is 17 is the highest. It has first rank. Then second highest is 15. It has second rank. Third highest is 13. It has third rank. Then fourth highest is 11. It has fourth rank. Then fifth highest is here 10. It has fifth rank. Then sixth highest is 9. It has sixth rank. And last 7, that is 7 number, 7th rank. Then for judge B, highest figure is 19. It has first rank here. We shall stop here.